Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rokaya and I'm very happy to welcome you here. I'm a teacher specializing in Quran recitation with Tajweed, and I also teach core academic subjects following both the US and British curriculum. My goal is to help students grow academically and spiritually in a balanced and supportive environment. In my Tajweed classes, I focus on correct pronunciation, Maharij, understanding key Tajweed rules, step-by-step practice, and build confidence in reading the Quran beautifully and correctly, inshallah. I also teach core subjects such as math, English, science, and social study or history. I make the lesson simple, interactive, and appropriate for grade 1 to 6 students. I believe every student learn differently. That's why I use a friendly, patient teaching style with real example, visual aids, and activities. My aim is for every child to feel confident, supported, and excited to learn. Thank you for watching. I look forward to helping you and your child learn, grow, and achieve success, both in Quran and academics, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.